because I've been wanting to do a video on this palette, or with this palette, and this is the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collab, and it is the Dream Street palette. So this is what she looks like. And I just wanted to sit down and come up with a look, but this is going to be like a full face tutorial type thing. But this is the star of the show. This is what we're going to be playing with today. This is what the main look is about. So we're going to be playing with this palette today, but really just sitting down talking because I've had a lot of caffeine, so why not? First, I'm going to take my foundation. This is the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline, and I'm also going to mix it in with a little bit of SeneGence foundation. Shout out to my sisters, Sydney and Cena. I'll list their stuff down below. Y'all can buy lip scents or any SeneGence products from them. But I do love their foundation, but I really love it mixed in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I don't know why, but the finish with these two mixed together is gorgeous. Are gorgeous? Is gorgeous. Is gorgeous. So now I'm just taking my Real Techniques brush. This is not a brush. I'm taking my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm just going to pat that into the skin. So, this weekend, well actually tomorrow, me, my sisters, and my mom are leaving to go to Birmingham, Alabama, and we are going to see Dancing with the Stars live. I really wanted to dress super cute, not even cute, I wanted to dress like beautiful. I wanted to wear like an elegant dress, not like a ballroom dress, but like a cocktail dress that's really pretty, and take Instagram pictures, and I got nothing. So I didn't go get a dress, and I'm really confused of what to wear because I'm not wearing jeans, obviously, but I don't have like a really cute dress. But I do have like a strapless jumpsuit. You know what a jumpsuit is? But it's red, and I don't know. It's Valentine, so that would be kind of cute. But what shoes do you wear? I don't know. So, anyways. So now I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and this is the SuperStay Better Skin Concealer by Maybelline. Okay, so I'm just going to do my usual shebang and put that underneath the eyes. And honestly, let's go ahead and conceal. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. So I'm going to conceal everywhere because your girl needs coverage, okay? I'm taking the L'Oreal Perfecting Powder, and I just put some on my sponge. And I'm going to go ahead and bake my under eye and just press that. Looking up and going back and forth so it gets all up in those fine lines. I'm just gonna leave that to bake for a little bit. I wish there was another word for that. Like besides bake. Like what is it actually called? Is it actually called baking? Or is it like setting? Okay, so while we are baking, I'm gonna go ahead and get my baby out. I'm sure if y'all watch makeup tutorials on YouTube, then y'all know about this bronzer. Oh my gosh. So this is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and it is so good. So I love this bronzer. I have a couple of things to say about it, but for starters, the smell is amazing. This smells, my mouth is watering. So this smells like literally you're on a cruise and you're going through, I don't know, it's taking me to like Bora Bora. I'm on a cruise and I'm going through Bora Bora, and someone hands me a pina colada. And it smells like coconut sun tan lotion, but sweeter than that. I don't know. It's amazing. And you can smell it whenever it's on your face. It's not like a strong scent, but it's amazing. Like, go buy this bronzer, not only for the, I can't stop smelling it. It's the smoothest bronzer, and it just applies so naturally, so pretty. So I am taking this brush by Crown Brushes, and it is their fan brush. I'm just going to dip right into that and contour my cheekbones. So this isn't the greatest contouring powder, but it is such a great bronzer just to bronze up the skin. So I wouldn't say I'm necessarily contouring. I'm just kind of bronzing up my cheekbones a little bit. And oh my god, I just can't even stop. I can't stop, won't stop. If you have like a problem with contouring or bronzing, you seem to like always get that muddy look, I suggest this bronzer. It is in the shade Bronzer. Wow. This one's in the shade Bronzer, and it is so easy to blend out. I think we're done baking, so I'm just going to dust that off with a big powder brush. So I think today I want to use the Becca blush. This one is in Blushed Copper. Mine is like all shattered. I dropped it, but I haven't used this blush in so long and I love it. So I think that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because I just did an eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I will link that video somewhere. I'll pop it up right now. You can go ahead and go watch that and come back to this video, or finish this video and then go watch that. Either way, go watch it, give it a thumbs up. Okay, brows are done, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the palette. So like I said, this is the Kathleen Lights Colourpop collab, and it is the Dream Street palette. So it has tons of beautiful shades in this palette. You have your matte transition shades. I absolutely love this shade right here. It's amazing for transition. Anyways, so there are a lot of beautiful colors in this palette, but I usually stay in the gold and brown area. And I'm wanting to be a little bit different today, so we're gonna see what happens here. I went ahead and primed my eyes using Painterly by MAC, like always. So I'm going to dip right into the transition shade I just showed y'all. I absolutely love this shade, and I am just going to put that all over my lid. Valentine's Day is coming up, so why not dip into the pink and red shades in this palette and see what we come up with. I was thinking to do like the blue look, but I mean Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so we might as well just dip into these colors I haven't even dipped into. I'm gonna go in with, is this right? Sweet Dreams. I don't know if they're, I don't know what it's called, but it is the pink shade over here. And I'm going to keep this in the crease. This is a very vibrant color. Let's do it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to keep this in the crease. I'm just going back in behind that with a different blending brush just to make sure everything is seamless. But this one doesn't have any product on it, so it is just blending. I don't have any extra product on this brush. So now I'm going to take that darker red shade right beside the pink shade we just used, and I'm going to take this blending brush right here. It's a little bit smaller so I can really pack it in the crease. So I'm going to take that and focus it on the crease. I'm taking this shade right here. This is the darkest one in the palette, and I'm going to use the same brush I used, but I'm going to take this dark shade and focus it on the outer corner. So I I am having a little bit of trouble blending this darker shade out. All of the other ones blended out very nicely, but I don't know why, but this dark shade is just not having it. It's not blending. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with this darker red shade, and I'm just going to go over that, and maybe it will blend it out better. But it just was not blending as well as these other shadows. I don't know if it's because it's a darker pigment or what. So I did my best to blend that dark shadow out. It did end up blending out, but you really have to work at it. I'm going to add some shimmer to the lid, and I've been wanting to play with this shade right here. It is called Kaleidoscope. I'm going to pop that on my lid. Ooh, so pretty. I think it's like a, I don't know how to say that word. So it pulls a little bit green and blue to me. So it's not silver, but it has just kind of like a bluish green pull to it. Or shift. I'm going to go right back in with my blending brush that had that pink shade on it, and I'm just going to touch up my crease a little bit. Back in with the blending brush. Now I'm going to take just the blending brush that has a little bit of product left on it, and I'm going to run that underneath my eye, so on my lower lash line, just to get a line. Did I just say line? Lord, sometimes my accent comes out. So I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to run this underneath my lower lash line. I'm going to take this gold in the palette and I am going to pop that in my inner corner. I'm also going to drag this gold shade kind of on my lower lash line as well, but keeping it on the first half, if that makes sense. I might even add Kaleidoscope on top of that. Yeah, I think I'm going to take Kaleidoscope and I'm going to go right on top of that gold shade, but just on the lower lash line. Whoa, that got my eye. I think I'm going to go ahead and apply my false lashes off camera. I got these on Amazon. I got like a whole pack of them. These are Christina Lashes in the number 43. So I've been excited to try these. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and pop these on and I will be right back. I love them. They are so pretty, so flirty. They kind of like cat eye out on the corners. And very, very comfortable to wear. I'm so cold. So cold. Do you see my chill bumps? I'm freezing right now. I'm having an issue figuring out which lip color I want to wear. I wish y'all could like talk to me and tell me right now. But I have this one by Smashbox. This one is in the shade Driver's Seat by Smashbox. And it kind of like matches the eye look. It's pink, pretty, kind of a red undertone. And then we have a Chanel lipstick, and this one is in the number 75, and it is such a pretty red. I don't know what to do. Should we do the red? Are y'all saying red or are y'all saying, tell me what to do? I don't know why, but I think we're gonna do red. Am I regretting this? Yeah. No. No. Sometimes you make the wrong decisions in life, and this was a wrong decision. Nope. I kind of want my lips glossy. So I'm taking the Buxom gloss in the shade Pixie, and it's just a light pink with like gold shimmer in it, and I'm just going to top this lipstick with that. I love the way that this look turned out. Definitely something outside of my comfort zone. I don't usually dip into pinks or shimmer shades like this that have a blue or green shift, but I wanted to try something new. This look is perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. The pink in it and the pink lip is so pretty. Alright guys, well I think that is the end of this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe if you haven't already. I will pop up a little subscribe button in the corner of this video. If you want to do it the easy way, just click that and you will be subscribed to my channel. Also, there are post notifications on my channel. It is the bell, so you can click that and be notified every time that I post a video. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.